welcome into my crochet nook. I'm Linda, and today I've got some yarn shop haul, my local yarn shop. I went to Black Sheep again. Rick took me and treated me, so he's a good man, he really is. I don't know what I would do without him. I hope you're all well, and I hope you've had a fabulous weekend and everything's going good for you. So let me just get the bag. So what yarny goodies have I bought? They had a basket of patterns, 5 for £1. So I got this one, which is chunky, which I think is a 6. I got this one, which is a crochet one. Sorry, I meant to say this is a knit one. This is a crochet one. This is 2 designs in one pattern, but they're knitted shawls. Look at them, aren't they beautiful? And then I got this one as well. Oh my, there's a couple of, I didn't realise there's 2 patterns. So I've got that one. This is a knitted one as well, and I got that one, and these are chunky too. So rather excited, and I saw this and I just had to have it because it'll look fabulous with my jeans. It looks like a jeans jacket, doesn't it? And that's a knitted one as well. And then I got this sock pattern, because you know I want to do some socks, don't you? So I got them. And then let's see what else I bought to add to my collection of tape measures. So what have I got? I've got a grey one with polka dots. I've got a frog, and I've also got I can't remember what the other one is. A frog and I can't remember. Oh, a cat. Look what I got. A bee. A little bee. See? You pull his head. So that's added to my collection. Yes. And I got another 4mm clover hook, and I got some markers, and I've got them for my knitting, those ones. And I got some Knit Pro double DPNs for my socks. And I got another Black Sheep coaster. It was reduced to 150, so I thought I'll have that. And I got, what size beads are these? And what else did I get from there? Oh, they had some beads, 6mm beads. So I got the blue, the green, and I got another colour as well, if I can find them. And I got some, they're like a reddy colour, and they were £1 each. They were on sale, so I got them, added them to my stash. And then I got Sublime Cedar double knit, 100 grams, 220 meters, 240 yards, 50% cotton and 50% bamboo. Yep, bamboo sourced viscose. So I got that colour. I'm not sure whether it tells me the colour. It doesn't say a colour, but I've got 2 of them. Got 2 of them. Aren't they lovely colour? really nice. So they're a double knit. And then I got some sock yarn from Coop Knits. Look at the colour. Let's see, so I've got 2 of them. And 75% fine superwash merino and 25% nylon. 2.25mm hook, needles, 231 yards and 50 grams. And you're not to tumble dry them. And this colour is called Topaz. Aren't they gorgeous? And they feel so soft. So no excuse now to do my socks. And that oh, and then I got some white beads as well for my knitting, which I'm hoping we'll see. So, and then we went to the range and I bought the big size of these for my shawl, and I got some beads and I got a box for my beads as well. So that is my haul. So I'm really well pleased with that yarn. So thank you so much, Rick. He's been a little goodie, hasn't he? And so that's it for this little video. I'm I'm super excited to start my beadie challenge set by Lisa Ladybird Loves, Ingrid from Ingrid Inspirations, and Gina from Knitting Turnpike. So I'm looking forward to making a start on that, and I'll catch you all again real soon. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment, don't forget the thumbs up, stay safe, be kind to yourselves more than anything, and have a fabulous day. Bye for now.